How to use ident identification tool. So first, need muna kayo mag-login. Then, home and dashboard. Then, find active resources. Then, find natin si identification. So, click lang natin to. Then, yun. If this tool is showing logged out, just clear your cookies or cache. So, that does not work. Contact lang sa support natin. Then, click access natin. And ito, access na tayo. So, uh, I think, I'm not sure kung para saan to. I think, good for SEO. Yun. Ito. So, ayun. I think mga most SEO makaka-benefits nitong uh, identification tool. Ayun, kasama na siya sa 849 pesos natin na advanced plan.